Okay, so if you're watching this, you've probably moved on to some harder conversion problems. This question, this example is, how many molecules are present in 1.62 grams CaCl2? You'll notice that it's asking you how many molecules and gives you 1.62 grams. You should notice that it does not talk about moles. That's important. All right, so let's do this problem like we normally might do it. Okay, I'm going to set it up. And it asked you for, or it told you that there are 1.62 grams CaCl2. So I'm going to put 1.62 grams CaCl2. Okay, because we don't want grams in our answer and we want to cancel it, I'm going to put grams CaCl2 at the bottom. When we do that, we get to cross it out. Now it's asking us for molecules. So, just like before, molecules, I want that to be in my answer. CaCl2. So, a bit like before, I put molecules CaCl2. There. Okay, so in your notes, do you see a fraction or a conversion factor with molecules on top and grams on bottom? No. So there's a problem. We don't know. We cannot figure out what numbers go on top and what numbers go on the bottom. Okay? So this is how we fix this. What we're going to do is, instead of finding molecules, I'm going to erase this, we do something different. Okay? The only one we have with grams on bottom is one with mole on top. So let's write that in. Okay, but mole is not what we want, is it? So we add another line. Okay, I want to get rid of mole CaCl2. So I put mole CaCl2 at the bottom. Okay, so we have a fraction with mole on the bottom and molecules on the top. Okay, and molecules is what I want in my answer, so I get to put an equal sign and write molecules. Let's see if I can fit that. Alright, so what are the magic numbers? Here, and here, and here. Okay, so for the first one, we know that in 1 mole is a molar mass of CaCl2. When you calculate this, you should get 111. Okay, so now what's the magic numbers here and here? Well, we know that in 1 mole, we always have 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. Okay, now we have all the spots filled in and we have to just do the math. So to do the math, what you will do is multiply everything on top, 1.62 times 1 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. Okay, so I'm going to write the answer down here. That gives me 9.75. And like we practice, you just add the times 10 to the 23rd after. Okay, so now remember to multiply everything on bottom, and that goes on the bottom. 111 times 1 is just 111. Right? Now you can't leave the answer like this. You're going to divide these first numbers. You should get 0.09. Okay? And then times 10 to the 23rd on top, just add it to the end. Alright, so that is your answer. Molecules of CaCl2. Okay, so if you're really being careful, you are also changing the decimal here 2 spots to the right so that you have at least a number, a whole number in front of the decimal. What I mean by that is now you have the number 9 in front of the decimal instead of a 0. You moved it twice. So what you have to do is change 23 by 2. If you move it to the right 2 times, you have to subtract 2 from 23, giving us 21. Now that's our answer.